Hi, in this video we are going to see the third experiment. The third experiment will be conducted as from the random number. We have to give the input. From the input we have to get the output from the graph. So for the graph, go for the front panel, right click and go for the graph, add this graph chat and another one we need. So add two graph waveform chats. Okay, now for this, and in this condition, in block diagram, go for right click, structures, while loop, add this to certain extent. The waveform should be inside the circuits, like waveform while loop itself. So for this I condition we are giving as indicator, and for this red button we are giving as control stop button. And then right click, go for numeric, click on randoms and place it. From randoms we have to give the input to the numerics of multiplication. For multiplication, the random number is given to the x, whereas the y is given as constant. Create constant. For the constant we are giving the value as 20. Let's keep it little bit far. And now for this input we have to give as one more input, like go for the numerics square. We have to take we have to go right click on block diagram, numeric square. You can find out here square, and this square value of input is given as a random. The random of this square will be given, output will be given to the waveform, whereas this one let's label it, it's square, and this is multiplication, and this one is a random number. Okay, let's drag to the upper side. Okay, now let's run the program. As you can see, it's running little bit fast, so we need to add the wait in the, so go for the timings, wait, add the timings. For this milliseconds to wait, right click, go for create constant. For constant we have to give the value of 1000, so it runs little bit slow. Let's label this also. Now you can see the output, it runs slow. Okay, now let's give the another value as click on right, go for numerics square. Second we have to take as multiplication we need 3, so we need to copy this, copy, paste. Now the input should be given from the random number itself, so input is given as a random number, whereas this output is given to the y of multiplication. Again this output will be given to the y, again this also to the y, whereas this input of x is given like create constant. For constant we have to write as 2 as the condition given in the question itself, and again for the constant 3, and this one will be as 1. This is the condition of like 2x square, for x square plus 3x plus 1. This is the condition for this, so let me drag it here. Okay, Now the output of this one will be connected to the waveform. Now let's check the graph. As you can see, the graph is little bit slowly moving on. Hence experiment of number 3 is been completely done.